go.
Happy birthday, Ate Heidi! Wishing you good health, long life, at mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo.
Ang tanong, ilang taon na?
Ilang taon na ang ate ko?
Hello, Ate Heidi! Happy 50th birthday!
Pak.
You're still very
Bagsak
young
talaga.
looking, and I love you. Hello, Ate Heidi! Happy 50th birthday! You still look
Pak.
beautiful at your age. I love you.
Ate Heidi, happy birthday. Di halata. But yeah. Keep, ano pa, wala akong ano eh.
Wala kang masabi.
Wala akong masabi lang ano. But happy birthday.
Sagot mo sa Friday ah.
Ate Heidi, happy birthday. Wish you all the blessings, good, and everything you want in life and your family. Happy birthday.
Ilang taon? Ilang taon?
Oh, of course. 20. 20 years old and young.
Thank you, Dirk.
Happy birthday, Ate Heidi! It's your debut, so enjoy your special day.
I like it.
We wish you good health, happiness, and you're always so nice to work with. So, more days to work with together.
Happy birthday, Ate Heidi. I wish you all the best. Good health, happy life, happy wife, happy life.
Happy sex life.
Happy sex life. And more desserts to come as well for us. That's all, and see you Friday. Love you.
Hi, Tanan! Happy 50th birthday! We love you!
Hi, Madam. Happy 10th birthday sa iyo, sa aking fellow vulnerable and lafangan partner in crime. Di ba, Madam? Enjoy your big day. Happy birthday ulit. My confidant pa pala. My advisor. Thank you, Madam, for everything. I hope you have a great day and see you on Friday. Enjoy your day, Madam. Bye-bye. Take care. Love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Heidi! Golden girl ka na. We wish you all the best in life. Mili?
Happy birthday, Tita. We love you.
Happy birthday, Heidi.
Happy birthday, Tita Heidi. Wishing you all the best.
I was about to pick up Noah, but he's just, scared of fireworks. Anyway, golden girl, happy birthday. I know you want to celebrate it peacefully and just very family year. So wish you all the best. And remember, we're always here for you. We love you. Take care. God bless. Bye. Bye.
Happy birthday, Sister Heidi, and all the best and many happy returns for your greatest day.
Enjoy your 50th birthday, Sister Heidi. Welcome to the club. Happy birthday and cheers. Bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Sister Heidi. I hope you enjoy your day. God bless you more.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! We wish you for more birthdays to come.
And an abundance of love and joy.
May you have good health.
And we would like to thank the Lord for the kind and beautiful heart that you have. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Hello, Sister Heidi. Happy 50th birthday sa'yo. May God bless you always. Take care and may all your desires be granted. Happy 50th birthday again.
Hello, sis. Heidi. Happy birthday, sis. Hope that God will continue to bless you and also your family. You are a very strong woman, sis, and you're one of the person that I admire most in our community. So I know that you are happy with what you have at the moment, but I know that God will continue to bless you with all your heart desires. So happy birthday again, sis. 50 is your golden birthday. Welcome to the club.
Happy
birthday, sis. Enjoy.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, sis.
Happy birthday, sis.
Happy birthday, Tita Heidi. I can't believe you're finally 50. Just wanted to say thank you for all of your generosity and all your kindness and all of your care throughout all the years that I've been able to know you and you've been able to know me. You've always been a really generous and really caring tita, so thank you so much. Love you lots. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, sis. Welcome to the club. Welcome to the golden era. Oh, we miss you. We miss you, kapatid. And I wish you happiness and good health. And I just want to honor you for being always generous person, for always being a friend to everyone, for always being there, an intercessor, a bubbly person. At sana'y pagpatuloy mo yung mga gifts na yan na bigay sa'yo ng God. And I pray that all your heart's desires will come true. And I pray for your good health as well. We miss you, Bro, Jelay, and Denzel. Hope to see you soon. Enjoy your special day. Happy birthday from the Estebans. God bless you. Bye.
Happy 50th birthday, Sister Heidi. Go. We wish you all the best in this world. And I pray whatever your heart's desire is, He will grant that in His time. And I pray that God will always bless you with good health, always. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Sis Heidi. We wish you all the best, and may the Lord bless you always and give you more birthday and more happiness in your life. And happy 50th birthday. Bye-bye.
You too, man.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Sister Heidi! Welcome to the club. Enjoy your birthday and wishing you all the best. Continue to fly high with your career and concentrating with the family life. Continue to be a good inspiration to everyone, having a good heart, have a good company to be with. Enjoy!
Happy birthday, Sister Heidi. Wishing you all the best and wishing you good health. And hopefully we see you again soon. Happy birthday!
Happy
birthday!
From Team Enage.
Bye!
Hi Tita, happy birthday. Hope you have an amazing day.
Wishing you good health, happiness, and more years to come.
God bless sis. We love you.
Happy
birthday.
Happy birthday, Sister Heidi. Wishing you the best from Romano family.
Lots of love!
3, 2, 1.
Happy
birthday! Happy 50th birthday, sis. What an incredible milestone. I wish you a day full of joy and a year ahead filled with happiness and new adventures.
Happy birthday, Sis Heidi. You're such a wonderful friend and it's been a pleasure seeing you shine. Here's to 50 fantastic years and many more to come. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Hello, Sister Heidi. Happy 50th birthday. I'm not around, but see you when I come back. Enjoy your day with your family. I love you. Bye. Hi, Sis Heidi.
Hello.
Happy birthday. Sorry, Jillian. When I received your message last night, I think it's almost midnight, and I really confused what you are talking about. I thought
you are asking me to make a video for your tito, and that is the brother of your mother. I did not know that you are referring Robert as tito, so me and tito. So I said to myself, if you are going to give me pictures to compile and make a video, I don't have time. So that's why I said, it's so tight. So I'm really sorry that you are referring to make a video for your mom. Good, and I did not call your mom to ask about it. And who is her brother?
You're waffling again.
Yeah, and I know it from Sis Lucy. That's why I messaged you, but you haven't read my message. So anyway, happy 50th birthday and enjoy your day.
Yeah, happy 50th birthday. Yeah. Catching up with me. Only another 18 years to go, then you'll have caught up. Have a good time and enjoy yourself.
Yeah, enjoy and happy birthday. Love you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday to a true golden gem in our CFC community. Your warmth, kindness, and unwavering faith inspire all who know you. May this special day be as beautiful and bright as your heart, filled with joy, laughter, and love of those around you. Wishing you blessings beyond measure and a year ahead filled with peace and happiness. Happy 50th birthday, Sister Heidi, and God bless you always.
Happy birthday to my BFF, Heidi. I met Heidi in Perpetual Health Medical Center back in 1997, and I am glad that we're still good friends until now. We do not see each other very often, but she's a true friend that never forgets. I wish you more luck and success in life. Thank you for being such a great friend. May your birthday be as amazing as you. Happy birthday from Jumandons. Love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday!
Hello! Happy birthday, Lola! Lola H. Happy 50th. Bihira 50 na. Si Golden. So, bata pa rin. Hindi naman halata sa edad. So, happy birthday. I wish that may the Lord grant the desires of your heart, and may you have good health, more blessings upon your life and upon to your family as well. Long, satisfied, and abundant life to you, Shides. You know that we love you. Lagi kaming narito para sa iyo. So, you are part of our family. So, whatever happens, nandito kami para sa iyo. See your family. Okay, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Lola! Saan ang party? Nagtatago ka. Wala ang Facebook. Pero, I thank the Lord sa buhay mo. Sobrang grateful and thankful ako, kami, sa pagiging generous mo. Thank you rin sa ginawa mo sa amin, kila ate. Thank you. Ang prayer ko na patuloy kang bigyan ng good health ng Lord, pag-iingat, protection, guidance, provision ng Lord sa iyo, sa buong family, at patuloy kang bigyan ng mahabang long life.
long, satisfied, and abundant life kasama ng buong family. Enjoy your birthday at i-celebrate natin yan. Kailangan i-celebrate ang birthday. Okay? We love you! Bye! Mwah!
Go! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, baby. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Ninang.
God bless.
God bless.
Morning, Heidi. Happy birthday. Hope you enjoy your special day. You have an amazing personality. That's why Papa Jesus always bless you and your family. And you're also blessed to have a beautiful daughter who you always proud of, and a handsome son who gave you inspiration and motivation to become strong in life. So always look after yourself, and I'm hoping to see you soon. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday, and we love you.
Happy birthday, Ninang Heidi. May all your wishes come true. I wish you all the best on your special day. We haven't been able to see each other for long, but we have made so many memories together. We miss you and love you from Cheska. Happy birthday. Bye.
Hi, Hyde. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Auntie.
I wish you have a wonderful birthday and enjoy, have fun. And Brenda is with me right now. And okay, enjoy and see you in the Philippines in 2026. We're gonna go back there and we have a lot of fun during that on that time, okay?
I miss you, Auntie. I'll visit you in London soon.
Okay.
Hopefully.
Greetings from Los Angeles, California. Bye. Love you, hi.
Bye.
Love you.
Happy birthday.
Gorgeous cousin.
Happy birthday.
Happy 50th birthday, Tita Heidi. Wishing you blessings here in America from the Ramirez family. Hoping we can see you soon in London. So we'll see you there.
Love you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hello, ate. Happy birthday. You always been my sister since we were young, and I always appreciate you when you help without asking, and when you give advice without judging, and you always have ears to listen. I pray to God to bless you abundantly and give you another 50 years to celebrate. I wish you all the best, ate, and we always love you. Happy birthday. Mwah.
Happiest birthday to you, Tita Heidi. Stay healthy, stay gorgeous, and may God bless you. Enjoy your day, Tita.
Hi, Tita. Happy birthday. So grateful for you. Here's to more beautiful memories and happiness together. Love you always.
Happy birthday, Tita Heidi. Wishing you a good health and more birthdays to come, and enjoy. Enjoy your day, Tita, with your son and daughter. And thank you po diay kayo sa imong pagsuporta sa mua, sa ako kasad, sa akong pag-eskwela, o dako kayong tabang kay nako na. And I'm hoping nga makauli ka sa akong graduation and mag-celebrate ta diri. Salamat kayo, Tita, and happy birthday. Enjoy your day and we love you.
Lang.
Ay, Heidi. Happy birthday, de. Nak, sana marami pa ang birthday na darating sa buhay mo. At ligtas ang pangangatawan mo. Bigyan ka ng siglang pangangatawan at maayos na pamumuhay. Kasama yung pamilya mo. At Jilay, Dilsil, happy birthday kay mami ninyo. Sana maraming birthday pa ang darating sa buhay niya. At marami pa siyang matulungan. Enjoy lang kayo dyan kahit wala si daddy nyo. Jilay, alagaan mo si mami mo at saka si Kuya Dinsel mo. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng ginawa ninyo sa amin dito. Salamat, salamat. At many birthdays to come to you, anak. Thank you.